In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and back up UniSwap wallet. By the end, you'll know how to access the UniSwap wallet extension and securely view and store your recovery phrase, which is the key to restoring your wallet on any device. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the official Uniswap app at app.uniswap.org. Take a quick moment to verify the URL and the secure connection indicator in your address bar. This helps you avoid lookalike phishing sites and keeps your wallet safe. In the top right of the Uniswap app, select the extension option. This takes you into the Uniswap wallet extension interface in your browser. From here, look for the settings gear icon and click it. Settings are where your wallet's security tools live, including the option to reveal your recovery phrase for backup. Inside settings, choose recovery phrase. This is sometimes called a seed phrase. Before moving forward, make sure you're in a private space with no cameras or screen recorders running, and that you're comfortable taking a moment to back things up properly. Treat this phrase like the master key to your funds. Click. Continue to acknowledge the security reminder. You'll be prompted to confirm your identity. Enter your wallet password and continue. This is the password you set for the extension. It decrypts your wallet locally so the phrase can be shown. Once authenticated, your recovery phrase will appear on screen. To back it up, carefully write the words down in the exact order shown. Double-check spelling and position numbers as you go. Store your written backup offline in at least 2 secure locations, such as separate safes or a safe and a bank deposit box. Avoid screenshots, cloud storage, email, or chat apps. Those are common ways phrases get stolen. If you want extra durability, consider transferring the words to a metal backup after you've verified them on paper. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and never type it into a website or form you didn't explicitly open yourself. No legitimate support agent will ask for it. Anyone with this phrase can move your funds. If you're setting up a new wallet, this is the moment you confirm and secure your backup on day one. If you already have a wallet, these steps simply let you verify the phrase and ensure it's stored safely. When you're done, close the reveal screen and lock your wallet if you're stepping away. As a confidence check, you may later test restoring in a separate, disposable environment to ensure your backup works. Then delete that test. With that, your Uniswap wallet is created and, more importantly, backed up securely.